climate. Here are your key terms for climate. Now make sure you write these in your journal to go with the rest of your terms. Climate is the general weather of an area over a long period of time. When we talk about a long period of time, we're talking about months or years. We have three different types of climate. We have polar, which is going to be cold and dry majority of the time. It's not going to be the same every day. Remember, it's over a long period of time. Then we have tropical, which is warm and can be dry, or it can be wet, or it could be somewhere in between. Then the third one is temperate, which are moderate temperatures that change with the seasons. So if you live in an area where you have seasons, then you live in a temperate climate. Now, this is a map of the earth, and we have the three different regions that have these three basic climates. Now, when you get close to the different climates, sometimes they overlap slightly. So this is not 100% exact. You have the polar climate up near the North Pole, and you have the polar climate at the South Pole. So the polar climates are going to be at the top and bottom of the earth, basically. Then we have the temperate climate, which is going to be just south of the polar climate up north, and then just north of the southern polar climate. Now remember, this is where you're going to have your seasons. Then in the middle, around the equator, both north and south of the equator, we have the tropical climate. This is where it's going to be hot. This is where you're going to have your rainforest and different ecosystems like that.